Sri Maitreya replied, "My dear Vidur, once the great King Anga arranged to perform the great sacrifice known as Ashvamedha. All the expert Brahmins present knew how to invite the demigods, but in spite of their efforts, no demigods participated or appeared in that sacrifice. A Vedic sacrifice is not an ordinary performance. The demigods used to participate in such sacrifices, and the animals sacrificed in such performances, were reincarnated with new life. In this age of Kali, there are no powerful Brahmins who can invite the demigods or give renewed life to animals. Formerly, the Brahmins well conversant in Vedic mantras could show the potency of the mantras, but in this age, because there are no such Brahmanas, all such sacrifices are forbidden. The sacrifice in which horses were offered was called Ashvamedha. Sometimes cows were sacrificed not for eating purposes, but to give them new life in order to show the potency of the mantra. In this age, therefore, the only practical yajna is Sankirtan yajna, or chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra 24 hours a day.